This is the story of Gerald, the most amazing boy around.
When other kids spoke words,
he only made this sound.
Gerald McBoing Boing. Gerald McBoing Boing. He makes all kinds of sounds, whistles, honks, and chirps. His dog he never barks, but watch out when he barks. Gerald McBoing Boing.
Guess the sound.
sound check!
Hey, that guy's taking Fifi.
Oh, poor lost doggy. Come along now, we'll take you to the pound. That's where lost dogs go.
That's Mrs. Adams' dog. He must think Fifi doesn't belong to anyone. I'll try to stop him. You guys run to Mrs. Adams' house. Hey, wait! Stop! You've made a mistake!
Good morning, Mrs. Adams. Excuse me.
Did you just burp?
Oh dear, I forgot my shopping list.
Excuse me, dude!
Excuse me? Oh, you're such a nice doggy. You remind me of my dog, Fifi. Except for the burping, of course. Hey, where are you going with my bag, little fella? Oh, you come back here, you funny puppy, you.
This dog isn't lost. The owner will be right back.
I'm sorry, but I can't leave this dog out here alone.
Wait, stop. That's my dog. She must have slipped out of her collar. Thank you so much, children. I'm going to buy all of you ice cream. And for you two, I'm getting you the biggest dog bone ever. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
See this? It's a dog whistle, but you can't hear anything when I blow into it. That's because it makes a really, really high sound that only dogs can hear, like this.
Excuse me.
I don't believe it. Is this a trick? How can they hear a sound if we can't hear it?
Dog ears are just more sensitive.
Is that your dog whistle sound? I didn't hear a thing. all right, you win. That tickles.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is a story about a machine unlike anything they've ever seen.
What is this machine?
I am proud to report, and I'm happy to say, it's a shrink-a-ma-dinker. I built it today.
Whoa.
It is big, it is grand, it is silver and shiny. It shrinks things that are big down to things that are tiny.
It's my best machine yet. There's no way I can top it. But when it starts to shrink things, I can't seem to stop it. Uh-oh. Whoops. Where'd you go?
That shrink-a-ma-dinker shrunk those kids small. If you looked, you could barely see them at all.
Hey!
Cried the kids.
We're down here on the floor. Change us back to the size that we both were before.
I'm sorry, I'll fix it. But just so you know, I can't find the key that makes this thing go. You haven't seen the key, have you?
No, I haven't seen the key. And hurry up, 'cause it's no fun being the size of a pen.
While those kids tried to make the best of their size,
A giant ant!
she cried out in surprise.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Ant. I didn't mean to scare you. It's just that you surprised me.
Those kids became friends with that happy dancing ant and danced a conga line to an old brown houseplant.
If only I could find that key from my machine, I could make my friends big again.
Both kids looked around. They did not have a clue. But that happy dancing ant danced as if he knew.
Where is it, Mr. Ant?
She cried out with glee. The ant pointed to a spot where he'd just seen the key.
It landed in the trash can? How do we get in there?
A toy fire engine with a ladder tall and long got them to the top, but
Ew, that smell is strong.
they looked inside the trash and there they found the key.
If we can get that key, we'll be big again. Yippee!
But they couldn't reach it now without a trick or two.
Hey, the key! You found it! Woohoo!
That machine started crashing and thrashing, and then it zapped those kids back to full size once again.
Hey, it worked! Want to see my other machines?
Gotta go now. Bye-bye.
They waved a quick bye-bye to their ant friend on the floor and raced as fast as possible right out their friend's front door.
Look! I just got a dog whistle, too. And it sounds even better than yours, Janine.
Better? How can it sound better? We can't even hear these kinds of whistles. Only dogs can, like this. See, only dogs heard that sound. Gerald made the dog whistle sound too, and only these dogs heard it.
Okay, well, watch what I can do with my dog whistle.
Wow, that whistle doesn't work on dogs, but it's really great at calling fish.
Gerald! Time to get up!
Morning, Gerald.
Hey, someone looks a little tired.
You know, I'm kind of tired too. That looks like a really great idea. Beep, beep.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Our first play is Humpty Dumpty, followed by a circus act. Just follow the scripts and make the sounds as we go, okay, Gerald? And don't be nervous.
Yeah, don't be nervous.
Places, everyone. It's showtime.
Oops, sorry.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
Huh?
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Gerald, what are you doing? Why are you making all the wrong sounds? You mixed up the scripts?
Our play is ruined. I'm ruined.
Wait a minute. Do you hear that?
Oh my! I've never laughed so hard.
This is the funniest version of Humpty Dumpty I've ever seen.
Do you hear that? They love us! I'm a star! The greatest Humpty Dumpty ever!
Places, everyone, for the next act. Wait, one moment. Gerald, can I see those scripts? Perfect. Okay, now we're ready. Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Gerald, you need to clean your room. I want to see everything on this floor put away. You've got lots of places to put the stuff. There's the closet, the toy box. You'll figure it out. Wow! Your floor is clean, but the closet and toy box are empty. I wonder where all the stuff went. Oh, put it away for real this time, please. And thank you.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of a boy you might know, a young prince named Jacob who lived long ago.
My son, said the king, I am tired and old. I want you to be king and wear my crown of gold.
Okie dokie. When do I start?
I have just one problem, said the king with a frown. I just can't remember where I put the crown. I I put it somewhere for safekeeping.
He said,
To be king, you must have a gold crown on your head.
No problem. I'll find it, Dad.
Let me know if you find my house keys. I lost them, too. Thanks.
So the prince asked a knight and a wizard from town.
Will you join me to look for my father's lost crown?
Sure, why not?
Oh, and can I try that ice cream sundae, too? Good ice cream.
Prince, the search for the crown, remember?
So they looked through the woods all around everywhere. But the king's golden crown, well, it just wasn't there. Where had the king hid it? There was no way of telling. Then one day they heard a gruff, grouchy voice yelling,
Get out of my woods! You must leave right away. These are my woods. You must do as I say.
A troll stood in their way. He had only one eye,
I'm a prince.
said the prince.
Good for you. Now, bye-bye.
How are we going to get past him?
Now that sound-making wizard knew trolls with one eye always fall fast asleep to a sweet lullaby. So they got past the troll and they searched up and down. They found berries, made friends, but did not find the crown. The prince looked up and noticed a strange golden glow.
I bet that's from my crown. It is in there, I know.
This door only will open if your magic sound is just right.
Magic sounds? Well, I know some magic words. Like this. Open sesame!
Cucamonga!
Inside of the cave was a box with a note from the old king himself. Long ago, the king wrote,
If the crown isn't here, don't pull out your hair. It is under my throne, and I bet it's still there. Oh, I should have known.
As your new king, I issue a royal decree for my 2 loyal friends who kindly helped me. From now on, this brave knight and this wizard so grand are hereby appointed best friends in the land. Now, how about some more of those ice cream sundaes?
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Gerald, you've done a wonderful job. I've never seen your room so clean. Did you remember to put away your toys? And vacuum the whole room? Wow! It looks like you're riding some kind of loud, vacuuming horse. Wait a minute. Did you borrow one of your dad's new inventions?
Ride 'em vacuum!
Hey! Can I try?
Look at this thing clean.
Behold my latest invention, Gerald. I call it barber in a box. Just put it on your head and voila! Instant haircut. Want to try it out, Gerald? Gerald? Gerald?
Barber in a box? Yeah, he wanted to try it out on me too. But... Exactly.
Hey, what are you two doing there?
Just playing.
Great. Say, did you see the camera? I think I dropped it back there. Want to take a picture of my first barber in the box haircut?
You mean you tried it out already?
Yes, and it works fabulously. Want to see? Regard. Oh, excuse me.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!